Hello everyone, this is Deepashri. In our previous session, we learnt about calculate the load and select the number of sub-branch circuits, estimate the load in the circuit, select the proper cable for the branch main circuits and the supply system, estimate and list out the accessories for the given wiring installation. In this class, we will learn about state specific rules related for three-phase wiring installation, estimate the wiring by load calculation, load distribution, layout diagram, selection of cables, selection of conduits, calculation of conduit lengths, accessories required and the cost of wiring. Estimation of wiring. This diagram shows the vertical and drop down and switch position measurements from the ground level. Study the consumer's requirement of light, fan, power point in each room as shown in the diagram. Required conduit length has to be calculated using the given method. NE code recommends the horizontal run of cables should be at the height of 2.5 meter, that is 250 centimeter, and the height of switches from the ground level should be at the height of 130 centimeter. The example taken here for the roof length is 3 meter, that is 300 centimeter from the ground level. In all the cases, the dimension of the roof should be considered for estimation. Vertical run. All vertical runs can be calculated by referring this diagram for L2 phase. Length of selected conduit is equal to roof height minus down drop plus switch height into number of vertical runs equal to 3 meter minus 1.20 meter plus 1.30 meter into number of vertical heights equal to 3 meter minus 2.5 meter into number of vertical heights equal to 0.5 meter into number of vertical heights. The value 0.5 meter changes if there is difference in roof height and the height of horizontal run of conduit changes. Length of conduit required for down drops. This could be calculated as follows. Length of selected conduit is equal to height of conduit in horizontal run minus switch position height into number of down drops for switches, which is equal to 2.5 meter minus 1.3 meter into number of down drops for switches, which gives us 1.2 meter into number of down drops for switches. Length of conduit required for roof runs. This could be calculated as follows. Length of selected conduit is equal to sum of the actual length of roof run taken in each case. For each size, the total requirement is to be calculated. Length of conduit required for horizontal run. Length of selected conduit is equal to the sum of actual length of horizontal run taken in each case. Length of the conduit required for the distance between main switch and DB is to be calculated. In most of the cases, wall thickness has to be taken into account. In this session, we learnt about state specific rules related to three-phase wiring installation. Estimate the wiring of load calculation, load distribution, layout diagram, selection of cables, selection of conduit, calculation of conduit length, accessories required and the cost of wiring. I hope you understood this topic very well. Thank you for watching and we will meet in our next class.